Yeah, we just got off the train. We're uptown. Who are you on the phone with?
We're gonna go to 125th Street. We said we're gonna get the stuff today.
He made you come for nothing. So, my dad's buying Cherish a whole gallon of glue. I'm like, she cannot bring that home. That's staying right there at your house.
Then why can't you get it today?
I don't want all of that slime and glue inside my house. He's bugging.
Because my mom
A whole gallon?
an appointment about
Don't be telling my business.
and okay. Okay.
So yeah, guys.
Love you. Today's Tuesday, right?
No, today's Wednesday.
It's Tuesday.
Let me call my friend, let her know I'm in this town. Hey guys, so I finally made it to my mom's. We ain't doing nothing over here.
Shut up.
Ma, you ready to say hi to the camera? Because I got to prepare her. She act like she's going on live TV. It's a video. You ready? No, it's my vlog. Say, hey YouTube, I'm her mom. Okay?
Hey YouTube, I'm
I'm
my
her
mom.
grandma. I mean, that's my grandma.
You gotta do that
No,
on.
that's
I'm
my-
doing it over.
Gila.
That's right. Hey.
Yeah, that's enough camera time for them. She be acting all shy like she on live TV. We just chewing gum. I don't know where they about to go. But yeah, that's about it. We not doing nothing.
No, it's some Indian thing.
Oh yeah, but about my appointment, I have to see my doctor 3 more times and then I get a surgery date. They said because of my insurance, if I had $11.99, I would have only had to see my doctor 3 times. But I don't have $11.99.
Hi guys, it's me, Cherish, and today I'm gonna be making fluffy slime with my brother Chase.
Say hi, Chase.
Say hey, Chase. All right, go ahead. Anyway,
So,
Cherish.
I'm making fluffy slime,
Here's my
gallon of glue, my Tide, and my blue food coloring, and my shaving cream. You're gonna top it here.
So first you're gonna.
First,
Yeah,
you're gonna pour in your glue. The whole thing of glue she's gonna pour
Yeah.
in.
Tell me when.
Okay. Keep. It looks like milk. Do you want? And when you keep pouring it, it gets a lot. Right, do you want?
hello. When she's gonna stop?
Not yet. Yeah. Because
More?
I'm gonna spit for me and Chase. More. That's it.
All right.
That's a lot.
No, it's all right because it's
One drop of food coloring.
No, not yet. Now you don't do the food color. You do it last.
Okay.
Now you're gonna add your shaving cream.
Are you sure not the laundry detergent?
Are you sure?
No, you don't add the laundry detergent. You add the shaving cream.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, you don't need. Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Oh, it looks like. Okay, that's it. That's what that looks like. Where's watch out, Chase? That doesn't look like shaving cream. That looks like frosting. Now you're gonna mix it. Ew, that's cool. We're gonna make white slime today. We're not gonna make white slime because the detergent is blue. The detergent is not blue, so we're gonna use the detergent. Oh, got my finger. I didn't even feel it.
All right, you're gonna have to speed the process up.
Okay.
Do it like we not here.
Okay, so I mixed it. Yeah, that's it.
we missed it. Tell me when to stop.
Pour in here.
Okay. Fill it up.
Not all the way. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now you're gonna add your detergent. More.
That little bit.
Right.
Yes, to see if it's even gonna come together.
It's gonna smell like
Gotta
detergent.
put more.
If you do that, it's gonna smell
You gotta
like,
add it little by
it's gonna
little.
smell like detergent. It's gonna smell like detergent and hurt your nose. I'm serious.
Yeah, more.
It's not funny. I'm serious. A lot more. That's a lot, Charlie. You pour it, so I'll pour a lot. It's like,
And then you wanna keep mixing your slime until it don't stick to your bowl.
I thought you said that.
Watch your hair, sweetie. You need a little
I
help.
think you said balls, Charlie.
No.
I thought you said that.
More detergent, more detergent.
I'm talking about
Oh,
balls. Hey, Gma here.
Okay, now you wanna use your hand.
How about the food coloring? No.
No.
No
not
one
yet.
saw a golden one of this.
You need to add.
A little more. I'm gonna mix it
No,
though.
no, wait.
Add more detergent.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Yeah, a little more.
It's sticky.
Okay, that's it.
When it's in the morning, it gets more dry and not
Alright,
sticky.
I'm gonna.
Almost done, as you guys can see.
No, sir.
Now, say it now.
So, guys, my slime is almost done. It's stretching and it's not sticking to the bowl no more. And it's not sticking to my hands anymore, really, but just needs a little tiny bit more detergent. Can you add more, Gma?
But you said shaving cream.
After I finish the slime, I'm gonna add
Oh,
more.
I feel like
Alright.
putting some dice. I want dice. Like the game of dice, the game.
Oh, there it is.
The
Yeah.
board.
There
Yeah. You made some good slime.
Stop,
girl.
Chase, wait.
Don't touch it,
I already
Chase.
touched it.
Cause you're gonna get out and you're not gonna get no more. Get
Good
done.
job, Cherish.
Get no more.
I'm just gonna get the rest off of the bowl.
That's
It's
cool.
sticking off.
Okay. You wanna add this now or what?
That's
Oh, no,
a.
yeah.
That's.
Oh,
Yeah.
Excuse me, that's my table.
I wipe
slime was
it.
My slime
Alright,
was
that's enough, right?
It's still sticking to my hand.
Alright, so then add a little more.
No, it's ready. I just need to top it.
You know what?
I need to stick it from off of my hands. A
Wow.
little more.
Try to do a belly
little
flop.
more?
Do a belly flop on me.
Nah. It's good now. It's good
Ah,
for me.
you just touched on me.
And now we're gonna add 1 drop of blue food coloring.
Just
That's
one
that's
drop,
what color
Cherish?
was.
Yeah, it's already like a little blue.
Oh, okay.
1 drop.
Wow, that was one drop.
You do that on Uncle's birthday. That's what you do.
1 drop of food coloring.
And I see no colors coming.
It's coming. Wait.
Yeah, no
You
colors.
see it, Gma? It's a lot.
Pick different colors.
Go, girl.
Very nice,
Let's
Cherish.
go on our vlog tonight.
Yeah.
Needed that big jelly.
That's why. Because she can make it again and again and again and again. What you mean? Look at that blue coming up. Oh, that's nice.
Ew.
Stop it.
It's
That
going
is
inside
really
the
nice.
slime.
Get on your arm.
Ew.
Wow.
But what you gonna put that in to get all the way home?
What you need? Like a plastic?
Container.
Oh, you can use the container, that bowl right there.
Yeah, but the top.
Or
I'm gonna
use
add a little more shaving cream.
Okay. Let's see.
Because I want it more fluffy. Oh, I forgot the top was on.
Okay.
I want it more fluffy.
Okay.
More. It looks like a piece of bubble.
Alright, you can slow down. This slime not going nowhere.
But you can't slow down.
Oh my god.
You a
Then
good,
watch out.
you a good mixer.
That was good.
You can tell Chase to watch out now.
I don't have to one right
It's
here.
sticky again.
Right.
It's not sticky again. It's the shaving cream. Watch out, Chase. Wait. You can tell him to stop.
I'm doing nothing.
You
My
can
hands
tell him to stop.
I'm doing nothing.
Stop. But you're touching it.
I'm not.
Oh, because she's
I can't.
Stop all motion. You get my face like this and shit.
all right. Stop recording because I'm getting ready to curse her out.
I'm a wipe it, I swear.
No, look at the table. That's it. Enough.
She
All
must
right.
say you be mad though.
Wait. Alright, so guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.
Nah, that was a lot. Oh, do the olive Oreos real quick.
Also whack. That was a
Go
whack.
Go ahead.
I love Oreo cookies. Today I went downstairs and poured myself a big glass of milk to dip my cookies in. When I went to the cookie jar, it was empty. Big brother stink. Got milk?
What happened to
Right.
I forgot about that. Watch out, I'm trying to get off of your arm, that's why.
That was nice.
I just
Shelly.
wiped it on my arm.
I'm glad you got your fix.
This is the
Right, and then you're gonna fall.
I say actually no, I'm not.
Excellent. What? No.
Yeah.
She learned how to run. You're in a horror movie. This is
What
the
horror
scene.
movie? This is like
Look at that spider! Look back! She look at the camera now one time. Come. All right, action. You're really scared. Come. Walk down. You're so scared.
in the car with the dog.
Brody.
What's up, dog? We're not dog that.
Uh-oh, Trevor's password is getting leaked.